tax accountant explains, how long does the IRS have to collect taxes? The information provided here is intended to offer a general overview of IRS tax collection rules and options. Tax laws and regulations may change, and the specific circumstances of each individual's tax situation can vary widely. Therefore, it's advisable to seek personalized advice from a tax professional or attorney to address your specific tax collection concerns. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, generally has a limited amount of time to collect taxes owed by taxpayers. This time frame is determined by the statute of limitations on tax debt collection, and it can vary based on several factors. Here are some key points to consider. Please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. 1. Collection Statute Expiration Date, CSED. The IRS typically has 10 years from the date of assessment to collect unpaid taxes. Assessment occurs when you file your tax return or when the IRS files a substitute return on your behalf. This means that if you owe taxes for the 2022 tax year and filed your return on time in April 2023, the IRS has until April 2033 to collect the debt. 2. Extensions and suspensions. The 10-year period can be extended or suspended under certain circumstances. For example, if you enter into an installment agreement or an offer in compromise with the IRS, the collection period is extended during the duration of the agreement. Additionally, if you file for bankruptcy, the collection period is usually put on hold until the bankruptcy proceedings are concluded. The IRS may also delay collection efforts if you're in a federally declared disaster area. 3. Fraud or tax evasion. If you are found to have committed tax fraud or tax evasion, there is no statute of limitations. In such cases, the IRS can pursue collections indefinitely. 4. Foreign income and unfiled returns. If you have unreported foreign income, the statute of limitations is extended to 6 years. If you fail to file a tax return at all, the IRS can assess taxes at any time. 5. State taxes. State tax agencies have their own rules and limitations on tax collection. These rules may vary from state to state, so it's essential to understand the specific rules for your state. 6. Collection actions. The IRS can employ various collection actions to recover unpaid taxes, including wage garnishments, bank levies, property liens, and asset seizures. It's crucial to respond to IRS notices and work out a payment plan or settlement option if you cannot pay your tax debt in full. 7. Offer in compromise. In some situations, the IRS may accept an offer in compromise, OIC, which allows you to settle your tax debt for less than the full amount owed. This is typically considered when the IRS believes it's unlikely to collect the full amount within the statutory period, or when paying the full amount would cause undue financial hardship. Applying for an OIC involves a complex evaluation process, and the IRS doesn't accept all offers. 8. Bankruptcy. If you're facing severe financial difficulties and cannot pay your tax debt, bankruptcy may be an option. Depending on the type of bankruptcy you file, Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, tax debt can be discharged or managed through a court-approved repayment plan. Keep in mind that not all tax debt is dischargeable in bankruptcy, and certain conditions must be met. 9. Appeals and disputes. If you believe you don't owe the tax debt or disagree with the IRS's assessment, you have the right to appeal the decision. This can halt collection efforts until the appeal is resolved. 10. Professional assistance. Dealing with the IRS and tax debt matters can be complex and stressful. Enlisting the help of a tax professional, such as a tax attorney, enrolled agent, or certified public accountant, can provide valuable guidance and representation to navigate the tax collection process effectively. Remember that staying in communication with the IRS and proactively addressing your tax debt is essential. Ignoring tax issues or failing to cooperate with the IRS can lead to more serious consequences, including additional penalties and legal action. It's important to keep accurate records of your tax returns, payments, and correspondence with the IRS. If you're unsure about your specific situation or have concerns about IRS collection efforts, it's advisable to consult a tax professional or attorney who can provide guidance and assistance. remember that tax laws can change. Be sure to check for any updates or changes in tax law if you're dealing with tax issues in the present day. Please consult your tax accountant or attorney to address your own personal tax situation. Please click the like button and subscribe to this channel.